Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Today we are unboxing something special. This is the first time on this channel to unbox something expensive. So let's just jump right into it. So before we continue, try to guess what's inside this package. I already know what is inside, but please leave your guess down in the comment. So let's count to 10. All right, so let's proceed. See if you've guessed correctly. So that was a letter from the phone company. Do you see that? Wow. So we're gonna place it on the side. What else is inside the package? Cool, really cool. And a bunch of papers. That's it. All right. So first thing is a watch, a OnePlus watch, and it's the OnePlus Watch 2R. Let's open it. Can you peel this off instead? Can it be peeled off instead of cutting it? Well, I'm just gonna cut it. Wow. This is beautiful. Beautiful and expensive. Oh yes, what's inside? What more do we have? What more do we have in here? In the boxes. So we have this one. Oh, this thing looks like it's glued inside the box. All right, so this is the cable. USB-A, USB-C cable. Then you have a charging stand, and I'm pretty sure this is paperwork. It also says paperwork, but just for the sake of unboxing, let's check what's inside. Yes, that's just paperwork. All right, look at this bad boy. It's the OnePlus 13. Did you guess OnePlus 13? So we're gonna take it out of the box. Never settle. OnePlus. Alright, this is the paperwork, I'm pretty sure, and the cable for charging. Wow, this thing is beautiful. If you're gonna buy this color, you're gonna need a case on it. You have the slider for muting the phone on the side, power button right here, volume rocker up and down, SIM card tray, USB-C charging, firing speaker, and here we have the front camera, and of course at the back we have 3 cameras. With flash, and Hasselblad logo right there, and of course OnePlus logo on the middle of the phone. Does this thing has a, yes, this thing has a, it has a thin film. All right, let's power this bad boy up. All right, we're gonna end the video here. Tune back in for the review of the phone. Thank you for tuning in and watching. If you liked the video, smash the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.